Good evening, and welcome. My name is Daniel, and you are listening to the English Unlocked podcast. This lesson is called Learn English While Sleeping, Calm Daily English. You can listen to this episode in the evening, before sleep, or even while you are resting. There is nothing you need to do. You do not need to repeat. You do not need to write. Just listen, relax, and let English become familiar and comfortable for you. In this lesson, we use slow, clear English. We speak calmly. We use simple words and everyday sentences. This helps your brain learn naturally, without stress. Imagine this moment. You are at home. The day is finished. The lights are soft. Your body is tired, but your mind wants to relax. This is a perfect time for listening. English does not need to be hard. You do not need to rush. You do not need to understand every word. It is enough to listen and feel the language. Tonight, we will talk about simple daily life, small moments, normal situations, things you see and do every day. For example, waking up in the morning, making a cup of tea or coffee, opening a window, feeling fresh air, starting a new day calmly. When you hear English like this, your brain starts to recognize patterns. Sounds become familiar. Words feel easier. Sentences begin to make sense, even without translation. This is how children learn language. They listen again and again. They do not analyze grammar. They simply hear the language in a natural way. Now, take a slow breath. Inhale gently. Exhale slowly. Let your shoulders relax. Let your face relax. You are safe here. This is your quiet English time. While you listen, your brain is working softly in the background. English words are connecting. Your listening skills are growing. Your confidence is building. You are doing something good for yourself. Learning English calmly, without pressure, without fear. In the next part, we will continue with gentle daily English. Simple sentences, clear meaning, a slow, relaxing rhythm. For now, just listen. You are doing great. Now, let us move gently into the flow of everyday English. Think about a normal evening. Nothing special happens. And that is exactly what makes it perfect for learning. In the evening, people usually slow down. They come home. They take off their shoes. They put their bag on the floor or on a chair. They breathe a little deeper. Some people make dinner. Others order food. Someone makes soup. Someone cooks pasta. Someone just makes a simple sandwich. These are small actions, but they are part of daily life. And English lives in daily life. You may hear sentences like, I'm hungry. I'll make something simple. I don't want to cook today. This smells good. Dinner is ready. You do not need to remember these sentences. Just let them pass through your mind. After dinner, people clean the kitchen. They wash the dishes. They dry the plates. They turn off the light. Some people sit on the sofa. They watch a movie. They listen to music. They scroll on their phone. They talk quietly. You might hear English like, I'm tired today. Let's watch something easy. Can we turn the volume down? I just want to relax. These sentences are calm. They are not complicated. They are part of real life. Your brain likes this kind of English. It feels safe. It feels familiar. It does not feel like work. Now imagine the room around you. Maybe there is a lamp. Maybe there is a window. Outside, it is getting dark. Inside, it is warm. This is a good moment to listen. Your eyes can close if they want to. Your body can rest. English does not need your full attention right now. It can stay in the background, like soft music, like a quiet voice. When you listen like this, your brain absorbs the rhythm of English, the melody, the pauses, the natural flow. You are learning without effort. If you fall asleep while listening, that is fine. Your brain is still hearing English. Your brain is still learning. There is nothing to achieve, nothing to prove. You are already doing enough. In the next part, we will continue with more gentle daily English, simple moments, soft sentences, a calm voice to guide you. For now, stay relaxed. Let English stay with you quietly. As the evening continues, the world becomes quieter. The sounds outside slowly disappear. Cars drive less often. Voices become softer. Lights in windows turn off one by one. Inside, your space feels more personal. This is your time. A time without hurry. People often think English must be learned with effort. But in moments like this, English can simply exist around you. You might hear phrases like, "I need some rest." "It was a long day." "Tomorrow will be better." "I'll deal with it later." These are not difficult sentences. They are emotional sentences. They describe how people feel. Feeling is important in language learning. When you feel calm, your brain opens. It listens without resistance. Maybe you are lying in bed now. Maybe you are sitting comfortably. Your body is heavy. Your breathing is slow. English does not disturb this moment. It becomes part of it. Think about tomorrow, but gently. Tomorrow morning, someone will wake up. They will stretch. They will look at the window. They will check the time. They might say, "It's early. I need coffee. I don't want to get up yet. Just 5 more minutes." These simple sentences are used every day by millions of people all over the world. You do not need grammar rules right now. You do not need explanations. Your brain remembers patterns naturally. That is how children learn language. By listening, by repetition, by calm exposure. And right now, you are doing the same. The night is a safe space for learning. There is no pressure, no mistakes, no judgment. English can come and go. You do not need to hold it. If your thoughts drift, that is normal. If images appear in your mind, let them be. If you feel sleepy, that is good. Your brain connects English with comfort, with safety, with rest. Over time, this connection becomes strong. English stops feeling foreign. It starts feeling familiar. In the next part, we will move even deeper into this calm rhythm. More daily moments, more soft language, more quiet learning. For now, stay here. Stay slow. Stay relaxed. Now the night feels steady and quiet. There is no rush anymore. No plans to think about. No tasks to remember. This is a good moment for the mind to slow down. English can be here without effort. It can move gently through your thoughts. Sometimes at night, people talk softly to themselves. Not out loud. Just inside. They think simple things. I did my best today. It's okay to rest. I can continue tomorrow. These sentences are kind. They are forgiving. They create calm. Language is not only words. Language is also feeling. When English is connected to calm feelings, it becomes easier to understand later. Your brain remembers not only meaning, but also emotion. That is powerful. You might notice your breathing now. Slow, even, comfortable. Each breath comes and goes on its own. You do not control it. You just allow it. English can be the same way. You do not control it. You allow it. Think about simple actions again. Not to analyze, just to imagine. Someone turns off the last light. Someone pulls a blanket closer. Someone adjusts a pillow. They might think, I'm comfortable. This feels nice. I can rest now. These sentences are soft. They do not demand attention. Your brain hears English like a quiet voice. Not loud. Not fast. This kind of listening goes deeper. You may not remember the sentences tomorrow. And that is fine. Learning still happens. Because the brain learns patterns first. Not rules. Not explanations. Patterns stay longer. This is why listening before sleep works so well. You are not trying to be perfect. You are not trying to remember everything. You are simply letting English exist around you. And that is enough. The night continues. The lesson continues quietly. In the next part, we will gently prepare to close this experience. No sudden ending. No sharp change. Just a slow, natural finish. For now, stay exactly where you are. Relaxed, safe, and calm. Now everything feels settled. There is a quiet balance in this moment. Nothing pulls your attention. Nothing needs a response. This is where learning becomes very deep. When the mind is calm, it opens without effort. English no longer feels like something separate. It becomes part of the background. Like the sound of the night. Like slow breathing. You may notice that words do not stand alone anymore. They flow together. They feel connected. This is how language lives in the brain. Not as lists. Not as rules. But as rhythm and feeling. Some thoughts may appear softly. Tomorrow is a new day. I will be okay. I can take things slowly. These sentences are simple, but they are powerful. They carry calm meaning. They carry reassurance. Your brain remembers these feelings. Later, when you hear English again, something will feel familiar, even if you do not know why. That is learning. Now imagine the night outside. Dark sky. Quiet streets. Still air. Inside, you are protected. Warm. Comfortable. English stays gentle. It does not wake you. It does not ask for attention. It simply stays close. If sleep comes now, let it come naturally. If you are still awake, that is also fine. There is no goal. No finish line. Just presence. Your body knows how to rest. Your brain knows how to learn. You do not need to guide it. Each sentence you have heard has already done its work. The sounds, the pauses, the calm tone, they stay with you. Now there is nothing left to add. Nothing to explain. Only silence. Only rest. The lesson slowly fades into the night. And that is exactly how it should be. Now this lesson is coming to a gentle end. There is nothing more you need to listen for. Nothing you need to remember. Your body is resting. Your mind is quiet. English has already done its work. You listened calmly. You stayed relaxed. That is enough. Learning does not always feel active. Sometimes learning feels like peace. When you listen like this, English becomes familiar. It stops feeling foreign. It starts feeling safe. You may notice small changes later. A word sounds clear. A sentence feels natural. You understand without effort. That is progress. You do not need to rush forward. You do not need to compare yourself to anyone. Your pace is right. If you are still awake, stay calm. If sleep comes now, let it come gently. English will stay with you. The rhythm will stay with you. The calm feeling will stay with you. Thank you for listening. My name is Daniel, and this is English Unlocked. You can return whenever you like, day or night. For now, rest. Sleep well.